Hey gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a fun unboxing of a bunch of plugs that I ordered for the first time from Farmer Bailey's, and he's a wholesaler and I am so excited to show you and to bring you along for witnessing this with me. Woo! Okay, the first thing that I'm noticing is that this feels wet. As soon as I open this, it feels wet. How do I? Okay. My goodness. Okay, so this is underneath the tray. This is the ammi, the Purple Kisses ammi. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at all that growth. My goodness. I mean, these guys are so tiny. Look at the size of the plug. I mean, they're so tiny. How can something so tiny have so much growth? Let me see if I can show you one. Look at the size of that thing. Yeah, these guys need to be moved to a bigger spot. They definitely need the room. But my goodness, look at that. These are I'm pretty sure this is the ammi, the Purple Kisses. Let me double check that before yes, this is the Purple Kisses. And I don't know how many I have here. 216 plugs. Oh goodness, look at that. These are absolutely gorgeous. The trays do feel, I don't know if you can see it from the video, they do feel a little wet, not too bad. But the plant, the tray is heavy, so I know they're not lacking water. And I think it only took them 3 days to get here. Let's see where I got this plug from. Gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. Okay, these are the lisianthus, guys. Oh. Wow. They're pretty big. They're already pretty big in size. Look at that. These guys are only 128. So you can see the plug size is a little bit bigger. They're amazing. This just looks so well. And the tray is definitely heavy. I mean, the tray is definitely not needing any water. I was worried that they were going to need some sort of like really quick hydration. How I'm going to get all of these little plugs out quickly. There we go. Look at that. That is a plug from Farmer Bailey. It's a lisianthus plug. Not bad, not too bad actually. I'm happy about the roots. They're not too crazy. Look at that. Guys, I'm so excited about this. Look at that. Look at that beautiful, beautiful tray of lisianthus. This is probably the biggest that I have experienced lisianthus in my life. We're gonna make it happen this year for sure. And this right here is the last one. And I'm excited about this one because I grew these from seed and I was able to germinate the seeds. All right. These right here are bupleurum. And this is the first time that I'm growing bupleurum in my garden. I had zero experience with the seed before, and from what I heard was that bupleurum was a little bit tricky to germinate. So I decided to order a whole tray. Oh, it's so beautiful, beautiful. And but I also did a trial. I ordered some seeds and did a trial, and then I got the bupleurum to germinate. So next year I know for sure that I am not going to be needing to order. But look at that. Those are gorgeous. Let me show you. What I'm doing is that I'm pushing. I am using a pen to push from the bottom. Look at that. Am I supposed to thin that bupleurum? Because I have, come on, I have a total of 5 in here. I am not super familiar with that, so I'm gonna have to ask people that do this how they will do it. Isn't that gorgeous? Beautiful, just beautiful. I am so excited about how they arrive, the condition of the plants. I don't see any problems whatsoever. I don't see any, I don't know, visible things. These guys, a couple leaves here and there show a little bit of yellowish. I am not worried about it. I mean, you saw the size of these little blocks. They definitely need some more room. They definitely need to be outside. And I am going to show you where these are going. However, I am going to have to take about a week or so to harden these guys off. These guys are coming straight from the greenhouse and they have not seen or experienced the outdoors fully. So I am going to take my time, condition them to the outside, a little bit of shade, a little bit of morning sun here and there for the next few days. Oh, there's a weed there. So for me, it's going to take about a week. For you, it's going to be a few seconds because I really want to show you where these guys are going. Gorgeous, my gosh, gorgeous.